Alright, so this is the video for the install of these Billet Aluminum Sunroof Bezels, and for most of you guys, this is probably what your sunroof looks like right now. Now, if you do still have this guy on here, go ahead and toss it. Get it off there, and then you're going to pull your button down. There's a little clip on the back side. Pop it off real quick. Button's off. Now there's going to be 4 tabs in the corners. You're going to want to bend those out, use either a flathead screwdriver or a needle nose plier or something, and then you can pop out this guy and toss it too. It's gone out of here. Now what you should have received is something that looks about like this. This is your cover plate, and this is your backer plate, and I have pre-assembled them in the package to keep them from bouncing around. So just take the screws out with the Allen wrench that's provided, and don't lose them because you're going to need them. Now what you're going to do, take your wire, put it through the center, and slide this up, kick it over. Now it's in the center. Now you may or may not, depending on how your headliner is made, I don't know how close all of them are, but take a knife and just kind of cut out the corners here, just in case, give you a little extra room for the screwdriver or for the screws. Now you're going to take your button, you're going to plug it back in, and then you're going to feed it up and in. May need to get a finger in there. Bam. There you go. Now you're just going to want to pop the connection in and then just kind of kick it over. And it'll fit in there real nice. Then you kind of center that a little bit. You're going to take your cover plate and a screw. Just going to put it in the corner here. Get it started. Up there. Try not to force it. You don't want to cross thread it. There. Now it's started. Now you can take another one. Put it in the opposite corner, kind of like you would for a bolt pattern on your wheels. Should thread right in. And like I said, if you're having trouble getting your screws to go in, then that's when you need to go ahead and kind of clear out those corners with the knife, like a razor blade or a pocket knife or something. And then go ahead. Slide them all down. And then just give it a little bump. You don't want to go too tight. You might strip them out. It is just aluminum after all. And there you go. Your sunroof bezel installed.